In this session, we're going to design our sign-in screen, but first, let's import some menu icons into our projects. Now, I already prepared the folder name resources, on our desktop. You can find the link to download this folder in the download resources section. All right, so just double click on this one. So here we got different menu icons and some icon we're going to display on the map. All right, I'll just select all of those, and in our folder, in our project, let's change this one to project view. And if you can open the F, I think the source, main, and rest, and here we got drawable. All right, I want you to drag and drop this one into here. Right, it's going to ask you to import. Okay, cool. So now we got all of those images and icons import into here. All right, now we can go back to our Android view. Here we go. I don't know why, but in the Android view you can just drag and drop in here. I'm not sure why it doesn't work that way. Okay, so we seem to be good now. Next, we're going to change some setting for the colors and the style that we're going to use. And I want you to open res, value, and open colors.xml. And inside here, I'm going to define some color. So for example, for this one, primary dot, we change this one to 24213E. All right. And for the color accent, we change to E83 F6F. All right, and we're going to create another tree. So I'll just copy this one, paste, and this one I'll change this one to let's say color green. This one change to light gray, and last one. You can name it text gray. All right, so it's just a name. You can name it to anything you want. Now for the green, of course, we change this one to 4E B04C. Is that green? Yeah. Another thing, you can click on this one and you can drag and drop and change the color. All right, rather than just type the hex code. Now for the light gray. Just one A. Yep. And for text gray, we change to EBF1. All right, looks good. So basically, we just predefine some constant with a color that we're going to use across our app. Okay. Let's try to run the app and see. All right, cool. That's very nice. Now, one thing that's I'm going to remove those components in a bit, but we don't want to display this action bar here. So let's remove it. We can do that by going to styles. So again, under res values style.xml, this one we change this one from dark action bar to no action bar. All right, and run the app again. Cool. So now the action bar is gone. Next, we're going to add some text, images, and button into this sign-in. Okay. Now, so I'm going to close all of these and go into the activity sign-in XML. You can go to that by going to res, layout, and activity. All right. Right now, I'll just close this one to get some space in here. And I can remove all of those button and text box that we're testing in the previous video. You can highlight it up here and hit delete. All right, and they're gone. Cool. Now let's update the text box, and I'll just click on here. And to get the, well, actually this one I can change to food tasker. All right, hit enter, change to food tasker, which is great. And to get other attribute like the text color, text size, or style, you can click on this button. All right, it will show you a lot of the other attribute. Okay, so for this one, let's just say and set for text, text color. Yeah, we can click on this one and change project and accent. Click on this one. Remember the one that we just defined early. Hit all right, and then for the text size, we change this one to 49. Hit enter. Oh, 49, awesome. And for the text style, you can take bold. All right, cool. Now let's go back to our constraint. So we want to constrain this one. Let's just say if I click here, 60 to the top, 0 to top, 0 to right, and 0 to the left. We don't need this one here, so I'll just click here to remove it. All right, so now we got again 60 to the top, 0 to the left, and 0 to the right. Cool. Next, we're going to add another text view. So text view, just drag and drop here, just put it here. And this one, I'm going to change this one. Let's say created by Leo Chiu. Hit enter. Okay. For the text size, now you in here, as you can see, we got some common property which you can see here. Otherwise, if you want to see more advanced attribute, you can click on this one or hit the button. So here you can see a lot of attribute. All right. Now for the text, we change this one. Let's say for, yeah, we already got the text, and text size we set to 17. And text color, we set light gray. Okay, hit enter. And now we need to constrain this one, and I'll just constrain this one to the top and to the left and to the right. Okay, for the top, I'm gonna say 25, 0 to the right and 0 to the left. All right, just like that. Looks cool. Next, we're going to create another text view. So I'll just drag and drop here. And this one, we change to want to use a different account. All right, hit enter. And for this one, text color would be text gray. And for the text size, we change to 14. Cool. Now we need to add constraint to this one. And let's add constraint. We might need to add constraint to the bottom and to the right, to the left. Okay. We say this one is 20. 0 to the right and 0 to the left. All right, just like that. Cool. Next, we're going to add a button. So I can go into buttons, or you can go into commands. That's fine. Button, we drag and drop here. Okay. Remember that every time you drag and drop a new component in this layout view, we also see it in a constraint now. So if you want to select someone here, you can click just like that. All right, it will highlight those and select the one that you just clicked. Now for this button, let's change the text. This one is login with Facebook, and the background color, let's say green. Nope, we might need to check this one. Project or color. Project green. All right, and for the text color, I can say Y here. Yep, color Y. Hit enter. And for this one, I'm going to click this one to lowercase. All right, if you want to uppercase for all, you can click this one here. Text size 17. All right, and for we're going to add the constraint layout to these. So let's just say constraint to up here, to right, to the left. Okay, and for this one we set it to 25. Hit enter. This one 15. This one 15. And for the layout width, we set it to max constraint. All right. So by saying the width is max constraint, it's going to stretch the button and up to here because we set the 15 here and 15 to the left. All right. Next, we're going to add a linear layout. Sorry. Click on this one, layout here. And the one we're going to use is linear layout horizontal. All right, so I can put it here. Now for this one, let's say I'm going to constrain this one to here and left, oh sorry, right, and click this one to constrain to left, or you can click this one. All right, for this one, I'll just set to 25. This one to 15. This one is 15. And layout width, I'll change to max constraint. And for the height, I'm going to set to 30. Okay. So it's sort of like a container because next we're going to add 2 buttons, and we're going to put all of those 2 buttons inside this linear layout. All right, now it's time to do that. The first button, I'll just drag and drop this one. All right, yep. Now as you can see, under the linear layout, we got a button, and I'm gonna add another button here. I can drag and drop directly here. Okay, so now we got 2 buttons inside this linear. Awesome. Now for the first button, I'm gonna change this one to customer. Alright, so text color should be white. So I'm gonna type white, hit enter. Yeah. For the text size, it's 12. It would be a lowercase. Okay, anything left? Oh, okay, so background color. So the background color, I'm going to type accent. No, it's not working like that, so I need to check. Okay, color, accent for the background. Yeah, that looks good. Now keep going with the second button. This one we change to driver. Hit enter. And then we're going to change this one to lowercase. And the text size would be 12. Text color should be accent. All right, and we're going to set the background color is white. Okay, that looks like that. Awesome. And the last thing, we want to add an image here, so I'll just click on command image view, just drag and drop here. And for the drawable, click on the project and looking for the splash screen. All right, which is this one. Put it here. And of course, this one we're going to just constrain to, let's try this one. On the right and the left. So this one we change to 25. And this one we change to 0 and 0. All right, just like that. And the last thing you want to do is we're going to set the background color of the whole constraint layout. And yeah, you can search. Make sure that you click on constraint layout, and here we search for the background. Okay, here we go. For the background color, we're going to select the color primary dark. All right, hit OK. Hey, awesome. That looks very good, guys. Looks like we got a typo here. Yeah, hit enter. All right, fixed. Now let's run the app. Okay, looks like we got an error here. So it's a error in the layout activity. All right, I know what went wrong because it's a 30 incompatible with this. Just double click on this one, and yep. So just close this one and go into design view. And I think because in the linear layout. All right, so in a linear layout we set to 30. Actually, it's actually 30 dp. Hit enter. All right, now run the app again. Hey, awesome. Great works. Now we're excited to see our very first screens. Now moving on in the next videos, we're going to create the size menu for our app, and that will be interesting task.